Just a little pistol grip, Blizzard Tuesday, New York City, number 2. Pistol grip, 127, New York video gate rolling. Pistol grip, 127, New York video gate rolling. Pistol grip, 127, New York City, I'm back quiet.
127, hey, 127 on New York City, you get pistol grip like your man. Hey, 127, you get pistol grip like your man, I'll get him on your radio. 127, I am Chicken George. 127, Chicken George. And I just lose your pistol grip. 127, Chicken George is standing by.
Hey, Chicken George, look at that, Chicken George, all up in the pistol grip, 127, New York video gate. Chicken George, top of the afternoon, pistol grip, 127, New York video gate. Chicken George, pistol grip, I go.
Right back, 127. Oh, man. Hey, 127, I'm not New York. Ask me one question. Why can't we all just get along? Hey, 127, answer me one question. Why can't we all just get along?
Because they small-minded, small station, small eagle, and small pecker come out.
Lieutenant Colombo, Brooklyn Bridge. Chicken George, Colombo. Chicken George, Colombo, Brooklyn Bridge. Break. I 127, you gotta take a back seat. I 127, you gotta take a back seat. Cause my friend, Lieutenant Colombo, out of Brooklyn Bridge just jumped up. Hello, Colombo. Colombo, I asked the guy to roll your fire this morning that told you not to jump off the Brooklyn Bridge cause the one had frozen over. Hey, Colombo, you did not try to jump off the damn Brooklyn Bridge, did you? Colombo, Chicken George, standing by.
Right on, no. Chicken George, I'm standing straight up. I'm in charge of the Brooklyn Bridge. Take care, Chicken George. I'm in charge of the Brooklyn Bridge. Chicken George, Lieutenant Colombo, can you dig it by the Brooklyn Bridge? Break.
You say you're in charge? Hey, Colombo, you said you're in charge of the Brooklyn Bridge? Well, I'll tell you what, Colombo, you make them ducks pay a toll each time they want to go across it. Make sure they pay a toll. Get the cash money, Colombo. Don't take no credit card. Don't take no toll tag. Take cash money. Cash money for your honey. Colombo, take cash money for your honey. Chicken George says that. And I'm rocking on. Break.
Hey, Chicken George, Colombo the reason we can't get along, them police.
Chicken George, Colombo.
Hey, Chicken George, pistol grip, 127, back quiet.
Hey, Colombo, I old pistol grip on them bacon. Hey, Colombo, old pistol grip got that down on his knees. He's down on his knees, Colombo. Old pistol grip is down on his knees. And I'm gonna stand by. Break. Capital.
Hey, Chicken George, it make a good show. Hey, Chicken George, it make a good show. Chicken George, it make a hell of a good show. Pistol, I go.
Chicken George, Colombo.
What about his taxes? What about that man's taxes? They'll break.
I said if Colombo is only taking cash. Bye.
Pistol grip, 127, New York. Pistol grip, 127, New York. Bye.
Colombo, you like your damn man. Hey, Lieutenant Colombo.